Boiling an egg may seem like a basic task, but getting the perfect texture and doneness can be tricky. Whether you prefer your egg soft-boiled with a runny yolk or hard-boiled with a firm yolk, there's nothing quite like a perfectly boiled egg to start your day or to add a touch of protein to your salad. With a little bit of know-how, you'll be able to master the art of boiling an egg and have perfectly cooked eggs every time. So, let's get cracking, and learn how to boil an egg with a lot of detail, step by step. 1. Gather your ingredients. You will need eggs and water. 2. Place the eggs in a pot or saucepan. The pot or saucepan should be large enough to hold the eggs in a single layer, with enough space for water to cover the eggs by about 1 inch. 3. Add water to the pot or saucepan. The water should cover the eggs by about 1 inch. 4. Place the pot or saucepan on the stove over high heat and bring the water to a rolling boil. This means that the water is boiling rapidly and that large bubbles are breaking the surface of the water. 5. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, use a timer to set the desired cooking time for your eggs. 6. Soft-boiled eggs, 3 to 4 minutes. 7. Medium-boiled eggs, 6 to 7 minutes. 8. Hard-boiled eggs, 9 to 12 minutes. 9. Once the timer goes off, use a slotted spoon to carefully remove the eggs from the pot or saucepan and transfer them to a bowl of ice water. This will stop the cooking process and make the eggs easier to peel. 10. Let the eggs sit in the ice water for at least 5 minutes. This will cool the eggs down and make them easier to handle. 11. Once the eggs are cooled, gently tap them on a hard surface to crack the shell. Start peeling the shell from the large end of the egg, where the air pocket is located. 12. Once the shell is removed, the egg is ready to be eaten or used in a recipe. 13. As an advanced step, you could also try steaming eggs by adding a steamer basket to the pot or saucepan and placing the eggs in the steamer basket. Steam the eggs for the desired amount of time, and then transfer them to an ice water bath. It's important to note that the cooking times provided are approximate and will vary depending on the size of the eggs and the altitude of your location. To ensure that your eggs are cooked to your desired level, you can do the spin test where you gently spin the egg on a hard surface. A soft-boiled egg will wobble, a medium-boiled egg will spin slowly, and a hard-boiled egg